Hi, I'm Sammy Sinatra with Sirius Signal. In this video, we're going to be showcasing the patented technology inside the Sirius Signal SOS eVDSD model C-1002. The C-1002 optic and module I am holding are unlike any other SOS eVDSD design in the world. Underneath a patented precision clean room molded optic sit 12 Coast Guard color-specified high-power LEDs. Blindingly visible colored light flashes S in red-orange, O in cyan, and a second S in red-orange. In the center of that circle sits a single 890 nanometer non-visible infrared LED that pulses out a radiant intensity of 17 milliwatts per steradian. Working together, LEDs and microprocessed on-chip performance create a high divergent beam of light that travels in all directions. First responders see visible light flashing SOS, while the infrared parallel SOS signal is detected with night imaging technology. No other flare replacement SOS eVDSD even comes close. The model C-1002 is the brightest, greatest technological achievement in marine distress signaling. Sirius Signal is the world's leader in SOS eVDSD design. Thank you for watching.